Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you have been wondering how can you add a phone number to your Facebook account, then you're in the right place, because today in this video I'll show you exactly how can you do that in a very easy and clear method as well. So all you need to do is to follow up with me till the very end of this video so that you make no mistakes, and let's jump right into it already. Now since we're going to be using the Facebook mobile application on your mobile device, you need to get something out of the way first. So open your Play Store or App Store, depends on what device you're using. From there search for Facebook. Once you open it, make sure we have the app updated to the latest version for everything to work properly in this process. After that, you can finally quit the store. Now let's open your account on Facebook. Of course, you have to be logged in, and then you can tap right here in the three dots or three lines in the top right corner to go to the menu. Here we are on the menu now. We need to go from here is to tap right here on settings and privacy in the bottom, and then tap on settings right there. Basically, you need to open settings for your account. Then from here, you can tap on see more in account center, of course, to open the account center on Facebook. Now from here, we need to proceed by tapping on personal details right here. And then from your personal details, you should find the contact info right here, including your phone number. If you don't have one, you can tap on contact info, and let's see how can we add one. From here, you can tap on add a new contact in the bottom, this blue button. Then from here, you can choose to add an email or a phone number. In this video, we're going to be adding a phone number, so tap on add a mobile number. From here, it's very easy. Type in your phone number, and of course it has to be attached to a phone because you will receive a code that you need to type in to confirm that this is your phone number. So of course, type in your phone number, choose the account, and then tap on next in the bottom. And once you receive the code and enter it, it will be added to your contact info and of course to your account, and you can use it to log in to your Facebook whenever you want. And that's basically how can you add a phone number to Facebook. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and leave your questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video, guys. Peace.